This McChicken sandwich is so delicious. Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making McDonald's McChicken Sandwich. Trust me, this is one of the best McChicken sandwich that you're gonna try. I'm gonna serve this sandwich with spicy Cajun fries and a very nice mayonnaise. You're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. For the McChicken, I'm using a mince of 2 chicken thighs and 1 breast. Normally there's some fat on the chicken thighs. You want to ask the butcher to mince through that as well. We're gonna season this with a good touch of cayenne pepper, with the white pepper, celery powder for more taste, garlic and onion powder, with some of the sugar, good touch of thyme powder, with the freshly grounded black pepper, with the MSG, and finally a good touch of salt in there. Get your hands dirty and give this a really good mix until well combined.
Round 1.
This McChicken sandwich is gonna be so delicious. You see it's getting nice and sticky mainly due to the added fat from the thighs. It's gonna hold its shape well. Now if you got the time, leave it to marinate for a few hours in the fridge. Alright, let's start turning these into McChicken patties. Grab yourself a tray which is aligned with grease-proof paper. Grab your chicken mixture as well. And I'm gonna use this tool to make perfect round patties. Or you could just do it with hand. Or first grab a handful mixture and add in there. And now just press it down but not too high. This is exactly what you're looking for. Now we're gonna start removing these on this paper. We made around 6 McChicken patties. These look absolutely great. We're gonna let them chill in the fridge while we make our dredge. Fresh homemade mayonnaise, in with the 2 large egg yolks, here with the Dijon mustard. Give that a really good mix and combine everything. Now very gradually we're gonna start incorporating our infused oil until the mayonnaise comes together. If you're not comfortable doing this with your hands, you can also do this in the blender. Grate in some of the fresh garlic for more flavor, here with the juice of fresh lemon. Now we're going to season it with ground white pepper. Throw in some of the black pepper as well, and finally a light pinch of salt. Give this a really good mix. Now have a little taste and adjust any of the seasoning if you need to. Our mouth-watering mayonnaise.
Sonic boom!
Done. And for the dredge, grab 3 balls. Add fine panko breadcrumbs in 1 ball, plain flour in the other. Crack in 2 eggs.
Perfect.
Add some water. Season the eggs and the breadcrumbs with black pepper and salt. And the plain flour with black pepper, salt, white pepper, smoked paprika and garlic. Give everything a really good mix and well combine. And whisk up the eggs properly. And before we start coating our chicken, turn up the heat to around medium high, here with the oil, and bring the oil temperature to around 170 Celsius. And you want to maintain that temperature. But let's coat the chicken. Grab your McChicken patties. Now if you want, you can even freeze these for up to 2 months. First of all, grab your flour and the patty goes straight in. You want to coat this properly from all sides. And now just shake off the excess, and this goes straight into the eggs. Again, submerge that completely in there and coat it properly. And now this goes into the breadcrumbs. Coat that properly using your dry hand. And again, you want to shake off the excess, and this is exactly what you're looking for. Now this goes straight into the hot oil. Now you want to let this cook for around 5 to 6 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. And we're looking for a nice golden brown color on these. Now you can fry 2 to 3 patties at a time depending on the size of your pan. And we have a beautiful golden brown color on the McChicken. Now we're going to remove it. Drain off the excess oil and remove it on a rack. And season with a light pinch of salt. Like I said before, this is one of the best McChicken sandwich that you're going to try. Our crispy McChicken fillets. Done. For the lettuce, first of all you want to thinly slice it.
Uppercut.
And with your lettuce, finely chopped pickled red chili. And with the zest of lemon. Some of these mustard seeds, here with the juice of fresh lemon, and finally some dill oil for a very nice herb flavor. Now give this a really good mix and you can season it when just about to serve. Our amazing fragrant crispy lettuce. Done. For our spicy Cajun fry seasoning, here with the sweet paprika, mustard powder, white pepper, garlic powder, red chili flakes, and with the MSG, some of this Cajun seasoning, castor sugar, and with the Korean red pepper flakes. For a beautiful aroma, I'm using oregano powder, and finally with a good pinch of salt. Now you want to give that a really good mix. Our amazing spicy Cajun seasoning. Done. Have a little taste and get those taste buds jumping. Alright, let's plate this up. Grab your dressed lettuce, our delicious homemade mayonnaise. Grab your well toasted bun, add a generous amount of mayonnaise onto there. Feel free to add some cheese as well if you like. Our McChicken fillet goes on the top. Just gonna add a bit more mayonnaise onto there. Add in the fresh lettuce and finally top off the bun with some more sauce. Now that looks so mouth-watering, can't wait to try this.
Fire!
Alright, with your crispy fries, throw in some of the hot sauce and our spicy Cajun seasoning. Our delicious spicy Cajun fries. Done. Serving it with this spicy Cajun fries and some of this mayonnaise. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks amazing. First of all, let's start with spicy Cajun fries first. Alright, bismillah, these look so delicious. Look at that. That is so mouth-watering. Wow. Wow, I'm speechless. These are so good. I promise you, these are one of the best fries that you're gonna try. Now let's try our McChicken sandwich. Look at that. Bismillah. Wow. This is so much better than McDonald's McChicken sandwich. I'm lost for words here. It has a bit of crisp to it and the patties well seasoned. You can taste a lot of flavors in there. Can we please get this video to 1000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.